Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, this is an urgent and very big warning for everyone in Bitcoin right now. For everyone who is trading Bitcoin, for everyone in a long position, or for everyone who is holding Bitcoin. I was literally, I swear, 3 minutes ago in the bed, and unfortunately I took out my phone, I looked into the charts and I saw I have to come here to you because we are right now at crossroads and this was the moment I was waiting for. Let me show you exactly what I am looking out for in the immediate short term, what price targets and what next steps I am actually taking trading wise here. This video will be way shorter than everything else and YouTube doesn't like that. So if you could give me that feedback and smash up the like button to an all-time high and show YouTube that even shorter videos should be pushed towards the public, I will do more of them no matter what time it is, guys. I want to go straight into the content right now. And also remember, down below $700 bonus. If you click the links down below after your initial deposit, you get this bonus for free and you can trade with that on Bybit and Phoenix just as I am doing that as an experienced trader in the pinned comment down below. Click your initial deposit, you will get that. So right now, and actually now it happened, this is what I wanted to talk about. So here we were going down and I already knew we will probably break it. We will probably create a new low. And we did that right now. We already had a low here. And I told you I'm hoping for a W pattern, but this is off the table now. We created a lower low. Sometimes we are seeing a W pattern with a lower low, but the performance is not so high. The likelihood is not high. I wanted to actually tell you the moment we break it, we will go bearish. And this is what is happening now. We had here this M pattern with a lower high for Bitcoin. We are breaking this right now. And look, in a few seconds, we are already going towards my price targets. Like this, it was literally here the price when I started recording. Anyways, guys, so we are breaking down here. And the target for this M pattern breakdown is 53,600. While you are watching that, it's probably already off the table. This is why I want to talk about, of course, also some other price targets here, which are even more important to consider because this is like literally more immediate short term is not possible, but we have much more price targets to look out for as to consider where is Bitcoin going to. And I wanted to correct a little bit here. So the video before I made it upside down, I was just too much in a rush here. So, but it is in the end the same thing in different shoes. So I was talking about this here being the golden pocket, but it's the 38.2. The golden pocket is here below, which is actually my eventual price target if Bitcoin continues here this dump towards the downside. I would personally think this this M pattern target, it's here at 53,600. It's probably not the end of the road. Let's wait and see. Maybe I'm wrong, but probably not the end of the road. The next target would be the 50%, the Fibonacci golden, the 50% retracement level of the Fibonacci retracement, 52,500. But eventually, maybe we are even going down to the 50,000, which is the golden pocket. I'm personally not shorting Bitcoin because in uptrends, and this is an uptrend, not on the hourly, but not on the 4 hourly, but on the daily, on the 8 hourly or whatever. It's like still a massive uptrend, right? So I wouldn't bet the farm here shorting Bitcoin in an uptrend. I'm not doing that myself. Bitcoin can just V-shape recovery up. It's just too risky. But if you want to be in a short trade or if you are just interested in how low Bitcoin can actually go, well, this might be it here. Now that we actually created a new lower low for Bitcoin, the likelihood is pretty high that Bitcoin is not going to reverse here and create this W. If Bitcoin were to get a strong volume supported bounce, the moment I would trade that would be above the neckline here. And the neckline I want to show to you just to make it complete here. If Bitcoin were to break out above the neckline, oh, where is it? Come on. Here, above the neckline, then this horizontal ray shows us the price target would be the 57,300. This is the level I would be trading. Right now, Bitcoin looks bearish on the hourly, so the immediate short term might be bearish here. Let's wait and see what happens here. This is the beauty about trading, guys. I mean, we know exactly when A happens, we do A. When B happens, we do B. This is what makes an experienced trader. There is no, oh, Chris, decide. I told you what's the higher likelihood. But in the end of the day, we are letting the charts tell us what to do. This is the reason why I was giving you on Sunday, I'm a moon boy, but I was putting out 3 semi-bearish videos on Sunday warning you that Monday will be dangerous for Bitcoin. And well, you saw, we dumped down. It was not easy for me, but the charts were telling me that something might be happening. The same over for Da Vinci, who was saying the same. And of course, guys, I wanted to urge you also, Subscribe to my Twitter channel at MMCrypto. I was telling you the moment of truth for Bitcoin, double bottom or bear continuation. I was telling you in the moment of decision, the moment we break down, you were able to go here into a very nice profitable trade. Let me go back. And yeah, right now we just have to wait and see what the chart is telling us. We are creating lower lows for Bitcoin on the hourly candles. So this is certainly something to take a look at. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was certainly a short one. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. YouTube doesn't like these short videos, so let's show YouTube. This has relevance. Let's show YouTube. We are the most supportive community in the world, not only the most profitable. Also, a few words of appreciation, guys. I got hundreds, if not thousands of comments in YouTube, Telegram, and everywhere for people thanking me for warning you about the Monday, about this potential dump. I wanted to thank you for giving me this feedback, because feedback is the biggest content creators payment. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, I will be back very soon with the next one of MMCrypto. That's always, guys. As always. Bye-bye.